What is up, guys? I'm back with another vlog. I'm here with my best friend Nolan. He doesn't want to be on camera right now, but we're playing Fortnite and it's snowing right now, so in a little bit we're gonna go drifting. Yeah, that's about it. You don't want to be on camera, right? You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
He'll be on camera later. No.
Wait, we should watch him.
What?
We should watch him.
If you want.
Hey, did you even do the door?
I did do the door open.
Oh, neat.
Well, now you're in it because you talk. I won't cut you out. Here's Nolan's truck. She lit up nicely. What's her name?
Ira.
Ira. And there's the beam. It just started like what? Snowing a couple hours ago. That's crazy. How many inches is there? It's probably like 1, 2. All right, let's get the beam moved. A cold start on the beam. All right, let's do it. Ready?
Yeah.
Fine, you know more about trucks than I do.
And cars.
I think I know more about my beam than you do.
I literally owned it longer than you.
I did buy my BMW from Nolan. She's a beaut. Old Nelly. She looks good in the snow. Ira looks almost as good.
A little bit better. A lot bit better.
You wish.
No.
We're gonna do a cold start on the truck, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's loud. I think Nelly's a little louder. Dude, I'm a straight pipe Nelly.
It won't be louder.
What?
It won't be louder.
Alright, let's go. Woo. We're a country vlog now.
Yeah.
Let's go. Woo, it's cold. Bye, Nelly. I didn't get that. I'm so sad. We just did a 180 by accident.
That was on purpose.
It was on purpose completely. My bad. I'll try to catch something like that. You better do that again.
No, sorry.
No?
Can't do it.
Town in Connecticut, and so we're there's no train. You're good. You're not well, yeah, it's closer in the winter. So there's a couple beaches in our town. Right now we're checking out one of the more popular ones, and obviously there's no one here, but it is quite beautiful. Fortunately on camera you can't really see much beyond like 10 feet. I'll get out. So Nolan pulled up on the beach. Closed right now, but there's no one here. There's a golf course there. It is very beautiful, very clean. We're gonna walk to the water right now. I'm gonna put this on my story. Follow me on Snapchat. Nolan, do you want me to shout out your Snapchat? You sure you don't want my family to follow you?
Pretty sure.
Too bad you're walking into the abyss. This is actually like low-key scary on camera. There's Ira. It's beautiful though. Looks like we're walking into the pits of hell. Yeah, you can just hear it, but you can't see anything. You just look like a black smudge on the screen. Hopefully, I don't know how much editing can do, but it's trust me, it looks nice, and you can hear the waves. I'll insert a photo while I'm talking. This is beautiful. Like that. Oh my god, he got me. Got him. Wow. Oh my god, it just looks like one big light on camera. Unfortunately, I need to get a DSLR. Hit up my Patreon account. I haven't made one. Wait, once I get closer, it'll look good. Ooh. Ira looking smashing. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 would ride. Sexy. Woo! Almost as good as a Beamer. Almost as good as Nelly. Where to now? Post road?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, now we're at another beach in our town. Hey, what's that light over there? Is that a plow?
It stops. My light's reflecting.
Is it actually a stop sign?
Yeah.
It looks like a light bar or like a truck.
I feel it. This is a road, but it doesn't look like a road.
It's like the story of the moment.
Oh wait, maybe, I guess it is.
Because I'm pretty sure I saw its backlights too, its taillights.
Oh, it is a truck.
Yeah, there. Yeah, I need to stop like that much. You want to go walk through there?
Yeah, sure. I mean, doing donuts.
Since when is doing donuts illegal?
It's reckless driving.
It's only reckless if you're doing them below 20 miles an hour. If you're doing it over 20, then you're just cool. And reckless driving doesn't exist anymore. New laws exist for drivers that go over a certain speed limit. It's like if you go over 100 on the highway, then you're just labeled as a cool driver. Hello, fellow truck. So we are going back. We've been here for 2 minutes and we're over it. Beach tour part 2 is over. There's a big field right for donutting over 20 miles an hour. Well, then you'll just be labeled as a reckless driver, not a cool kid. Right. There's Ira. What a beauty. I'm gonna edit a Prius over it, like right here. It's a Prius. No. it's a Prius. Ira's a Prius. So I'm gonna actually do that.
I think it's just because the snow is so wet and whatever.
Yeah.
That's very great.
Well, we had to do some donuts so I can label this donut vlog.
I have way too much traction.
Okay, this vlog can officially be labeled a drifting vlog. No clickbait.
Drift truck.
Drift truck. No clickbait.
How the truck crashed. Oh, that was an F-350?
Police activity?
Look at this guy's tire. Did it crash?
I can't see anybody that crashed.
Should we interview this guy?
Yeah, interview him for the vlog. Like, sir, why are you such a bad driver?
Sir, you're very suspect.
Very suspect. We're gonna have to take you in.
Citizens arrest.
Citizens arrest. There's a police standing right there. Perfect. Look at them together. So beautiful.
I feel like we just have like a better child, like just blatant better child.
Nellie's a better child. Nellie's the favorite.
Well, she's a daddy's boy, so is Ira.
Okay, right now we're doing push-ups. Nolan just finished his. He doesn't want to be shown, but I have 10 more. I've been doing 100. Oh, I'm so tired. I've been doing 100 a night for like 164 days now, and I'm about to do my last 10 right now. I am super tired. Nolan just went to bed, and I am about to hit the sack right now. I'm sleeping on this couch tonight, and I did the same last night. I'm doing some work on the computer, and then that's it, lights out. So I'll see you tomorrow morning. Hey guys, I'm back. I just got out of the shower. Right now I'm getting ready to leave. I just need Nolan to move his truck, and then back to my house, say goodbye to my parents. And then we're going back to college and going to the gym. Hopefully I'll get some gym footage for the vlog, and that should be about it. Hey guys, we are back in the crib. Oh my god, that was way too enthusiastic. I am so tired. So basically I'm back in the crib. My camera ran out of battery. I also did some work for YouTube, checking my latest videos, how they're doing. Obviously I have like 20 viewers, not much to check, but and I made a list of my passions, because my YouTube should really be about what I'm passionate about, and I am super passionate about sketches and comedy and even vlogging. It's a lot of fun to do, show you guys what my life is about and what I do, and really the insight of a regular college student. I made a list of my top 10 passions. Fitness, lifting, as I do that a lot now, and keeps me in shape, and it's a great addiction. If you are ever to get addicted to something, fitness would definitely be the thing to go with. That was kind of cringy. Rugby, comedy, sketches, traveling, video games, shoes / fashion, thrifting, hanging with friends, doing new things, editing, and last but not least, not being boring. Not really something to be passionate about, but it's a good little end note. I have nothing really left to show in the vlog because I don't want this to be too long. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Please like and subscribe, and Nolan would like you guys to let me know in the comments whose vehicle do you think was louder, Nelly or Ira, the Prius. Let me know, and thank you so much for watching.